Hello from Bug Eye Guy. Come for a 0 to 60 test drive in this modified Beck Speedster. And that's what it takes. It's just a striking car with great acceleration. We've had a lot of these Speedster replicas, and this is actually my own personal car. I'm going to let it go now, but I used and enjoyed this thing. And 0 to 60, haha, 9.2 seconds. Now, the reason I'm so excited, anytime you can do a sub 10 0 to 60 in these old cars, you've got something quick. Of course, your minivan might be much quicker, but for these old cars, this is just a wonderful, fast one, and a lot of fun to use. The car has a great exhaust note with a custom header set up. It's just really a stunning underneath as well as above. The pipe work, the custom pipes are beautiful on this one. But it just sounds so nice, and it's a lot of pull. It's a 2276cc engine. And you can see that it's really comfortable pulling right to the red line. It is a pat-down CB Performance engine, so it's built by one of the best in the industry, and the car has about 3,000 miles on it, so it's virtually brand new. It's also very usable and tractable. I'm in third gear here just through sort of some traffic, and there's a lot of torque down low. Of course, it comes into its own around 4,000 RPMs and really comes to life. It has a very distinctive kind of air-cooled flat 4 sound, which is really nice because you still retain that kind of Speedster-esque sound and feel, but there's so much more power than the stock cars at a fraction of the price. So if you want a 4-wheel disc brake, very new, very beautiful, it's kind of like a Healy blue metallic with a wonderful engine. A lot of nice upgrades went into this car. It's a really good Speedster replica, and Beck being one of the best, this is a good choice from Bug Eye Guy.